Natural stone finishes are beautiful, yet a large investment for homeowners. Did you know each type of natural stone requires specific cleaning products and state-of-the-art methods? The products used during a regular cleaning routine can do more harm than good. It's time to turn to the pros. Restore your stone to its natural beauty with a professional cleaning by COIT. From kitchen counters to flooring, showers, and more, our elite cleaning process features specially formulated products and state-of-the-art cleaning methods for all types of stone, tile, and grout, leaving clean and beautiful stone finishes that are protected and backed by our 100% unconditional satisfaction guarantee. Prolong the life of your natural stone with a regular professional cleaning. Our COIT Loyal program offers exclusive benefits for our customers. Call us today for a free in-home inspection and estimate.